Yes, it is a back-mounted, lightweight, futuristic sword. And here are the processes that made it. A piece of strong aluminium saved from the dumpster on an industrial building site is what prompted this project to start. The design phase came after that, followed by measuring sword ratios, doing the math, measuring again, and marking. Fuller grinding up to the mark, more marking, but this time for cutting. Cardboard prototyping using current progress to test design in real space. Grinding, cooling the blade regularly, then back to grinding. Making additional pieces and testing fit. Bending on makeshift sheet metal brake. Getting things lined up, surface finishing, cutting, grinding pommel pieces, more grinding of sword, making a mounting surface to join crossguard to blade, tight fit to lock everything in place, cardboard mock-up of 2-part crossguard, cutting, flattening, grinding down to proper size, then bending afterwards. Fitting to sword. Taping additional pieces for painting. High grit grinding. Polishing. Drilling. Hand filing. Sanding wood handle pieces to fit. Leather sewing. Final preparation of additional pieces, carbon fiber to make it high-tech, and final assembly. To make the sword back mount, cutting old tires into pieces, screwing them together, sewing, and attaching straps. This entire sword, excluding the paint, was made from scraps. The blade, the wood, the screws, the acrylic, the steel, the carbon fiber, the leather. That fact enabled me to turn an idea into a real, futuristic sword with a custom carry pack.